Okay.
Richard, would you do me a favor? Would you put this phone back?
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure. Sure.
Richard, what about if I could come up with 900, and then could I pay you after? I mean, do you operate that way at all?
Do you own the property?
Yeah.
It's in your name.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so the assessor's office will show the property taxes. That your name is on here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. We can work this out.
Okay.
Sure. 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 Sure.
Tell me why you're recommending the furniture go out? Because of what?
It's uncleanable. It's unusable. I mean, you would be spinning your wheels trying to clean it or sanitize it. It should be disposed of. Yes, it should be. A lot of things in here should be disposed of. I mean, we can restore a lot of this stuff, but if you're on a limited income, I mean, you would be putting out a pretty good penny, Donna. You would be putting out a pretty good penny. So, I mean, I'll be happy to work with you.
Okay.
But your friend, how old is she? Is she about your age?
She's 83.
She's 83. Okay. Where are your children? Have you children?
Not that I'm in contact with. No.
Okay. Are they out of state?
Yeah, all of them.
Yes. I'm sorry to hear that, because usually when we get situations like this, it's usually where the children and the parents are kind of strained from each other.
Yeah. No.
Yes.
Yeah, and the furthest one is Hawaii. So.
Okay. Do you communicate with her often?
No, I don't communicate with my kids anymore.
I'm sorry to hear
It was a
that.
divorce, and
I'm very
I
sorry.
got tired of. They chose the parents.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Me too.
Okay, Donna, we'll work this out, okay? We'll work this out.
Says the price increases were driven by a low inventory of homes. Double-digit annual increases.
Excuse me?
I need to check with my friend that I can stay longer.
No, I'm done here.
No, I meant longer than. I was hoping to be home by Thursday or Friday.
You mean back here?
Yeah.
In this house?
Yeah.
That's cutting it pretty tight.
Well, I know. That all I said is I have to make sure that it's okay for me to stay longer with her.
Yes, do that, please. But let me say this here, Donna. If there's no heat in the house and there's no running water, you can't reside here.
But I was going to have that turned on tomorrow.
Are you sure there's no busted pipes here?
No, I don't know that. I don't think there are. They were frozen.
Yes, then they're busted. Okay, I can assure you. If they're frozen, they're busted. Because you have to drain the pipes out of the water, the water out of the pipes, so they don't swell up when they freeze up. Yes. I'll work with you on this. Okay, thank you.